Hello guys, today I am going to show you how can you solve the error related to your project Faceit. You can see what is the error. Cannot change the version of project Faceit to dynamic web module 4.0. It might be anything 3.0, 2.5. It might be related to anything. If you see the project structure, you can see there is an error in our project, and after expanding that you can see there is error in Java resources file. But if you try to figure out the exact file, where is the problem in Java resource file, you cannot figure out. You can see there is a no any error, but it only showing the error in Java resources file. It's a exact right because there is a no any error in the file. It's related to your project Faceit. If you try to change your project Faceit, go to the properties, go to project Faceit, and here is the dynamic web module, that is project Faceit. If you try to change out to anything, it will shows the error, cannot change the version of project Faceit dynamic web module to 2.3. if you try to change to anything, it will not get changed, it shows the same error. To change this, you have to change the settings of your project. To change the setting, you have to go to the resource of this project, exact location of your project. Click on resources. Here is the exact location of your project. Click over here and it will open the exact location. Go to the project, open the dot setting folder. Here is the .core XML file. You have to open this file, and here you can see this is the dynamic web module and it is 2.0. that's why it's not getting changes in the Eclipse, so you have to change over here. Just save it. After that, you have to refresh your project. Click on refresh button, that will update the file. After that, you have to go to the Maven and click on the update project. It will clean and build your project. Now you can see error has gone. There is no error in our project. Now you can see there is no any error. Now if you see the project Faceit, now it's become 4.0. Now if you try to run this project, it will not show any error, it will run perfectly. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query or any error related to your Java, you can put down in comment. I will definitely solve your